is day number 3. We woke up early today, left home at 8 AM. Because today we are going to the place where the James Bond 007 movie was taken. I think the mountain is called, if I pronounce correctly, is Schilthorn. Heading towards Murren cable station to take the cable car up to the Schilthorn. There's a lot of slope, up slope. That's why I find myself painting. Yeah, we're finally here. We reached the Schilthorn. Schilthorn is 2,970 meters high altitude. It's a beautiful place, majestic place. You can see so many mountains over here. The weather is good, sunny, not too cold, and the sky is clear, enough for us to see everything. 2,970 meters. This is the place where James Bond movie, one of the movie location. Yeah.
这是什么
James Bond 的，那种名气哦。You know right？ 你拿那个枪这样，然后你是爸爸，你转过来，1、2、3，转过来。
Which has grown slightly in recent years. It is first ascended in 1857.
From here you have the best view of the Swiss skyline with the three famous Mounts Eiger.
Later we're going down, take a cable car down, one station down to Birg, B-I-R-G if I pronounce correctly, Birg, and that's where we do the mountain walk, the trailing walk. Show you later. It will be very up close to the mountain. There's no turning back. Jiayou! We are back in Murren. Just finished touring the Schilthorn and also having the trail walk in Birg. So now we have reached Murren, on the way to Lauterbrunnen to have our picnic there. We prepare some sandwiches. Lauterbrunnen is a very famous tourist attraction in Switzerland. It's a very Instagrammable place. We're having picnic lunch over here. A cup of Milo. Behind me is the waterfall. Yes, that's the waterfall. Beautiful, right?
Okay. Wow.
We are going to Wengen now, from Lauterbrunnen to Wengen. Beautiful train ride. It's the famous yellow and green train. I read from the internet that you see on the right side, you're able to capture beautiful view. So I'll do that later.